Hello friends, in this video we are going to see different page templates provided by Delive theme. Delive theme comes with various of the page templates. You can see all these page templates here. We are going to discuss about it one by one. And the meta box that contains different settings for this particular page. We are going to discuss it. So as you can see, by default it is going to set a default page template, and these are the default settings. And let us see how it looks. So it is a full width template. Here is a page title, and there is a no sidebar here. Now let's see first of all the meta box is provided by the Delive theme for the page. Display page heading, if we wish to show a page heading or not. If it's unchecked, there will be no page heading section. You can see that green bar is removed, and we have to add page title over here, which we want to display here. Okay, so that was the checkbox for that. And this one is for the background color. Let's set a very light background color here, something like this, and update. You can see now that page content back area is very light background, or whatever we set here. This title and tagline is going to be used in single page template. You can see in the description, each description provide a data that which post meta will be used where. So in this case it is going to use when we create a single page website that we already seen in past videos, old videos. You can say find a single page demo here. So this title and tagline will be added here, a title and tagline in a single page demo. You can see this is a single page website. Okay, so the next one is select a revolution slider. Right now free themes do not have a revolution slider. If you purchase revolution slider from Code Canyon, then you can use it here, and the sliders created over there will be displayed here. You need to just simply choose the slider and it will be displayed right after the menu here. Here we have used a default Delive slider. If you will choose slider from here, then it will be used right after this menu and logo here at the very top. Okay, top of the content. And then there is a sidebar. Full width means no sidebar, right means right side sidebar. Let's update and test it. You can see right side sidebar is added. We can remove the background now. So in the same way, left means left side sidebar and right side description. Okay. Then there is a navigation menu setting, which will left side sidebar, where you can set up a navigation, and it will be used for the navigation page template that we will see in a short time when I will explain that page template. And there is a column. Again, this is going to use with a portfolio and blog page templates. So with other templates all these settings are useless, but with this particular template it is going to work. we will see more about these type of the setting in that particular page. So it was a default template. Now let's change it 100% full width template. Here you can see a description is here, right, aligned with properly aligned with this logo and other text. And now if I set up 100% full width, then you can see now the difference. It is going to be full width. It will start very left. If there is any content which requires to cover a full area, then you can use this template. It is going to start you can occupy everything here, all the space, 100% of your browser. Next is 100% full width but without any header and any footer. Okay, so let's set it up and reload here. You can see now there is no header and no footer, and we can also remove this bar using this checkbox. So if there is any page where you do not need anything at all, no header, no footer, and want to use just a content that you have added in the description box or a title only, then you can use this type of the page template. If you want to create a squeeze page or something else where header and footer are not required, and you are going to supply that page URL directly to the people in email or something like that, you can use this template. Then there is a blog classic view template. Here you can see the blog classic view as a is going to list out the blog posts here in the classic manner, and we can also add a sidebar or right side to look it nice, to make it look nice. Okay, so this way it is a blog classic. You can create a blog page and apply this template to it. And there is a blog masonry. You do not see any effects here because the masonry view we need to also specify column, like we need a 2-column layout. Then select it, and now it's a 2-column layout. With the blog page template it is going to work like this. The masonry view, right now there is not much content and images set up here, so it doesn't look like masonry. But if you have supplied various post thumbnails and that content, various content, then it will look differently in the masonry view properly. Some posts are small, some big, and it will be adjusted automatically in the given space. You can use this column meta box for these blog page templates, a classic and masonry view in the both cases. And the third one is a timeline view. In this case the blog post will be displayed in timeline manner. Here you can see it. This timeline post looks good if we remove a sidebar. Okay, and let's also remove a 2-column. Okay, I think 2 column is not affecting here right now. So this way it is going to display in timely manner. Latest post will be on the top. So that was a timeline view, and the next one is portfolio masonry view. Again, portfolio requires to set up a column, otherwise it will be display everything in single column. It looks odd. Most of the portfolio pages require a columns. Let's set up a 3-column layout. In such type of the templates, blog and portfolio, these descriptions and all this stuff are useless. It is not going to be displayed anywhere. Now you can see it's a 3-column layout and with the filter. So this is now a portfolio page, and it is a masonry style and square style. Right now we have supplied all the images with the same size, so it is not going to display it in the masonry view. If different size images are given, then its layout will be quite different and it will look like masonry view. A square style will also look similar for now, but you can see it has a title and description also, and the nice hover effect. So it was a portfolio square style and masonry style. Now comes the navigation. As I told before that we need to set up a menu when I use a navigation page template, a side navigation page template. In this case, let us set up a single page menu here and date. You can see with the side navigation now that menu is actually available here. We can simply click this setup and it will be visible. It will take me to that page. It will look good if we set up this at the left side. Of the page. Okay, we can create such multiple pages which has a sidebar navigation and simply move from one page to another page with keeping this sidebar exactly here. You can see the demo here in premium theme. It's here in the shortcode. You can click any shortcode here and it will look like this. A page which is alive has a different styling. You can simply click any of it, and all these page templates contains a side navigation page template. All these pages has a side navigation page template set for them. That was a side navigation page template, and the next one is single page. It is going to create it is going to be useful for the creating a single page website. As we already seen in past videos, there are 2 videos for creating a single page website. So such pages use this single page template. You can see now I remove a description here, or whatever description is here will be used at the very top of that single page, and it will look like this. You can see it's now a single page, and all the necessary content for this single page is coming from the menu setup over here in the appearance and menu section. And there is a single page menu created and supply set for the single page menu location. Here it is a location, and this one is the menu. It is set here. The pages added over here will be displayed in single page template. So that was the different page templates and page meta box provided in Delivery theme. Please write your question in below comment, or send us email at support@deliverythemes.com. We will be happy to help you, and thank you for watching this video.